Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to adjust goals when necessary using mp3.Academy. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you stay flexible and resilient as you work toward your goals. Life is full of unexpected changes, and sometimes sticking rigidly to a plan that no longer fits your circumstances can hold you back. At mp3.Academy, we provide the tools and insights to help you reassess your objectives, make smart adjustments, and ensure that your goals remain aligned with your evolving needs and priorities. Let's dive into how you can adjust your goals when necessary and keep moving forward with confidence and clarity. Learning how to adjust goals when necessary is a vital skill in achieving long-term success. At mp3.Academy, we understand that life is full of unexpected changes, and rigidly sticking to a plan that no longer aligns with your circumstances can be counterproductive. Adjusting your goals is not about giving up. It's about staying flexible and realistic while still aiming for meaningful progress. By learning how to reassess and modify your objectives, you maintain momentum even when challenges arise, ensuring that you stay on track toward success. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the main reasons for adjusting goals is the emergence of new information or opportunities. As you work toward your objectives, you may discover more efficient methods or strategies that better serve your long-term vision. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to stay open to new insights and recognize when it's time to pivot. By allowing flexibility in your approach, you can optimize your path to success and avoid wasting time on strategies that no longer serve you. In addition to new opportunities, setbacks can often necessitate adjusting your goals. Obstacles are inevitable, whether they come in the form of external circumstances, resource limitations, or personal challenges. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of seeing setbacks not as failures, but as opportunities to refine your goals. Adjusting your timeline or breaking larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps can help you overcome obstacles while staying committed to your overall vision. Another key aspect of knowing when to adjust your goals is understanding your own capacity. Life is dynamic, and what seemed achievable at one point may no longer be realistic due to changes in your workload, personal responsibilities, or health. At mp3.Academy, we guide you through the process of reassessing your goals based on your current resources and energy levels. By making necessary adjustments, you avoid burnout and ensure that your goals remain sustainable over time. Maintaining balance is crucial when adjusting your goals. While it's important to remain flexible, it's equally important not to lower your standards unnecessarily. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to strike a balance between pushing yourself toward growth and making realistic adjustments that reflect your current circumstances. This balance ensures that you're still striving for success without setting yourself up for frustration or disappointment. Another factor that may require you to adjust your goals is the shifting of priorities. Over time, your personal or professional values may evolve, leading to changes in what you deem most important. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of regularly reviewing your goals to ensure they remain aligned with your core values. When your goals reflect your true priorities, you'll be more motivated to pursue them, and adjusting them as your values shift keeps you on a meaningful path. Adjusting your goals can also involve expanding them to meet new challenges or higher aspirations. Sometimes, as you progress, you may realize that you're capable of achieving more than you initially thought. At mp3.Academy, we encourage you to revisit your goals and raise the bar when appropriate. Expanding your goals to reflect your growing capabilities ensures that you continue to challenge yourself and maximize your potential. While adjusting your goals is necessary at times, it's also important to remain accountable throughout the process. Making adjustments doesn't mean abandoning your original commitment. Instead, it involves a strategic reevaluation. At mp3 Academy, we help you maintain accountability by setting new timelines and milestones that keep you focused on progress. By holding yourself accountable for the changes you make, you ensure that your adjustments are productive rather than excuses for avoiding challenges. Tracking progress is another essential element when adjusting goals. At mp3 Academy, we teach you how to use your progress data to determine whether your current goals are still effective or if they need modification. By regularly assessing how far you've come and identifying any roadblocks, you can make informed decisions about whether adjustments are necessary. Tracking ensures that you're always moving forward, even if the path changes along the way. In conclusion, learning how to adjust goals when necessary is a critical skill that keeps you adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges. At mp3 Academy, we provide you with the tools to recognize when it's time to pivot, reassess your objectives, and stay focused on meaningful progress. By staying flexible, you maintain the ability to navigate setbacks, seize new opportunities, and continue growing. Adjusting your goals doesn't mean abandoning your dreams. It means evolving with them to ensure long-term success.